Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 38. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain what SSCR Error Code 38 is, what causes it, and how to resolve the error. Per the NSLDS, SSCR Error Code 38 is caused by a certification date that is too far in the past. SSCR Error Code 38 is caused by the certification date of the record being too far in the past. This is defined by a certification date that is more than 135 days old, which is roughly 4 months. SSCR Error Code 38s fall into 3 different categories. First, currently enrolled students. Second, students with a withdrawn or graduated status with an effective date after 2004. And third, any status with a status effective date prior to 2004. For the cases of SSCR Error Code 38, where the student is currently enrolled, these typically occur due to a large gap between the end of term file for spring and the first of term file for fall, or due to NSLDS adding a currently enrolled student to the roster who previously attended that hasn't been reported yet. These errors will self-resolve once the first of term file has been processed. For cases of SSCR Error Code 38, where the student is in a withdrawn or graduated status with a status effective date after 2004, these often occur due to NSLDS including the student on the roster for the first time or for the first time after not requesting them for a long period of time. As long as the enrollment information for these students is correct, errors in this situation should self-resolve on the next report to NSLDS. The last SSCR Error Code 38 scenario is for students who are in any status with a status effective date prior to 2004. Errors in these cases occur due to a previous process where records are not susceptible to a calculation of separation as they are today. To resolve these errors, close out the student's record with a withdrawn or graduated status and the student's last date of attendance. If the student is already in a withdrawn or graduated status, confirm the record is correct, make any necessary changes, and submit it. Now we will go over how to review and correct a student's record. To resolve SSCR Error Code 38, first access the SSCR Error Report by logging on to the Clearinghouse's secure site. Once logged in, go under the Student Reporting tab, and once there, click on the Enrollment Reporting link. On the next page, go under the NSLDS Reporting tab. This will bring you to the list of SSCR error reports returned for your school, with the most recent reports at the top of the list. Click on the hyperlinked number under the Number of Students with Errors column to access the list of students with errors. This will bring you to the list of students with errors. Click on the hyperlinked SSN for the student with Error Code 38 that needs to be corrected. The next page will show the student's editable record. Update the enrollment information as needed to reflect the student's current term enrollment or their separated status if they are not currently enrolled. Students should not be left in an enrolled status if they are not attending for the current term. After updating the record as needed, click the green Submit button to send the record to the Clearinghouse for processing. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 38, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.